Things are quiet in the laboratory of that mad scientist Hugo A-Go-Go. Too quiet. What's that? A giant pigeon coop? I wonder what's inside.
What else? A giant pigeon.
A giant mechanical pigeon.
A giant mechanical carrier pigeon. And it carries the most fiendish, most diabolical thing known to man.
What's that?
Me! Up, up, and away!
Well, I see no harm in Hugo A-Go-Go flying around on a bird.
But this is no ordinary bird. This is a bomber bird. And there's my target for today. Bombs away!
The hotline. Batfink here.
Batfink? Hugo A-Go-Go has a mechanical bird that just laid an egg, and the egg was a bomb. What do you say to that?
I say, karate the battle act. I'll check upstairs, karate. You check downstairs.
Batfink? I got the bird.
You're wrong, Karate. The bird got you.
Batfink, help! I've been bird-napped.
Karate!
Watch out, Batfink! The bird has bombs in its belly.
And you should see what it has in its beak.
Your bird shot cannot harm me. My wings are like a shield of steel.
Then I'll clobber you with a karate.
Batfink has not been heard from since he went after the bomber bird. Why doesn't he contact the chief?
He can't. He's tied up right now.
The chief has given orders that if the giant bird is seen in the skies again, it's to be shot on sight.
Good. I was wondering how to destroy you. Now I know. When they shoot at that belly full of bombs, it'll be bye-bye Birdie. And bye-bye Batfink.
And bye-bye karate. It's the bomber bird. It's the chief. Ready, aim, fire.
Will Batfink and Karate boom to their doom tied to the legs of a bird? Are Batfink and Karate on their last legs? I've heard of noble ways to go, but this way is for the birds.
The shell fell short.
And the concussion broke our bonds.
And the concussion broke our bonds.
That's the end of Batfink and Karate. Now all I have to do is build another bird. And that's easy. I have everything I need. Let's see. Bird legs, bird wings, bird bombs.
And if you think you can outsmart us, you've also got a bird brain.